Hello, we are going to solve a unit analysis problem using proportions. So here's the problem. An infant 12 months old should receive how many milligrams of a drug if the adult dosage is 500 milligrams and a person must be at least 150 months old to be considered an adult. So let's first write our proportion. Okay, so we are going to decide, we have two units here. One is months and the other unit is milligrams. So we're going to decide which one we're going to write on top of the fraction and which one we're going to write on the bottom of the fraction. It doesn't matter where you choose to write it, as long as if you write it on top, you do that on both sides of the equal sign. So I decide to write months on top. I could have done it the other way around, and milligrams in the bottom of the fraction. And also here I have an infant and an adult. So I will also decide that whatever has to do with the infant, I'm going to write it here on the left side of the equal sign. And whatever that has to do with the adult, I'm going to write it on the right side of the equal sign. So I'm going to start reading now. An infant 12 months, so it's 12 months. Months go on top and infant is on this side. So the 12 months, I'm going to write it here, 12 months. Then I continue reading. Should receive how many milligrams? This how many is your x, right? So x milligrams. This how many milligrams are for the infant, so should be on the side of the infant, and milligrams go in the bottom. So the x milligrams will be on the bottom of the fraction on the left side. I will continue reading. If the adult dosage is 500 milligrams, so for the adult, this side of the equal sign and milligrams on the bottom, so the 500 milligrams go here, 500 milligrams. For a person that is 150 months old, so the 150 goes on top, because there's where I have the months on top, and on the right side I have the adults. So there's where the 150 months should go. Okay, so now I have a proportion. This is a fraction equal to another fraction. So this is a proportion, so this means I can do cross multiplication. I'm going to multiply x times 150 and 500 times 12, and that multiplication should be equal. So 500 times 12 should be equal to 150 times x. Now, in order to solve for x, I need to get rid of 150, which is multiplying the x, so I'm going to divide both sides by 150. That cancels the 150, and I have that x is 500 times 12, and that divided by 150. I can cancel these zeros, and then I have that x is equal to 50 times 12, which is 600, and this divided by 15. And my final answer is that x is equal to 600 divided by 15 is 40. And these are 40 milligrams. So this is my final answer for this problem, 40 milligrams. Don't forget the units. That's very important to write in your answer. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.